Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in Side Settings. Go straight to Advanced Features and tap Side Key. You want to stop the side key from launching Emergency SOS, so press and hold from Emergency SOS to Power Off menu. Once done, the phone will no longer auto-dial emergency services when you hold the side key. Make sure to confirm the new selection on screen. This removes the most common accidental trigger and gives you back normal power button behavior immediately. Next, open Send SOS messages in Advanced Features to stop automatic alerts. Turn the Send SOS messages toggle off. This prevents auto-sending texts, location, and pictures. If you previously added emergency contacts, tap each contact and choose Remove to avoid accidental alerts. Once disabled, your phone will not send SOS texts or media. Make sure to test by attempting the previous trigger. If nothing sends, you've successfully severed the automatic messaging path. Finish by testing. Press and hold the side key and attempt the old trigger. It should show the power off menu and not call emergency services. Restart the phone to ensure settings persist and check Settings Software Update to install fixes. If an SOS still triggers, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps or reset settings. Settings General Management Reset Settings. If problems persist, contact Samsung support. There may be a firmware or hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.